Welcome back to Analytics QA Sessions with Dustin Wallace. Last week I posted a LinkedIn carousel on underscore satellite or Adobe Launch functions that you can use in the Dev console that will help with doing QA and specifically more around QA and that sort of thing. So I figured it would be nice to do a video of these to kind of show them in action. Some folks learn better just by watching others, and so figured I'd put this together and quickly go through these. So the first one I mentioned was property underscore satellite. Should I copy this and make my life a little easier? Underscore satellite.property. This tells us the name of the launch property that we can go look at. When you're in Launch, you just go and find it, the user-friendly name, and also the ID as well. Next one we'll take a look at is environment. Satellite.environment. Environment tells us if we are in development, staging, or production. Very helpful. Next one, build info. This will tell you when was the last time this was published for the environment that you're in. So in the production environment, the last published was May 16th, and we can see what time. And I believe this time is in GMT. So this next one is set debug true, and this is going to enable Adobe Launch login in the console. So now we'll refresh, and now we see all of these Adobe Launch. That's these fun little icons here, and you can see that. You can filter for just those. We can disable it by setting it to false, and you refresh the page, and now they're gone. All right, let's move on to get variable. Now this you would need to know the name of a variable. What we'll do is we'll use setVar, and we'll just call this best and give the value of best in. All right. So now we've set an evar or set of our data out. It doesn't have to exist in Adobe Launch. That's kind of the interesting thing. I'll use getVar, and it returns the value of test that I set. All right, so pretty cool. You can, of course, clear that simply by doing oops. Try doing that. Well, now if I do the getVar, it's empty, right? Let's take a look at setting cookies. So we can do underscore satellite dot cookie dot set. So we'll set one first. Plus cookie with the value of my name. Okay, there's another series of things you can add in this for arguments, like setting an expiration. You can view their documentation on that. Cookie get, and now we'll get that test cookie to show that it's there. There's the value, and then we can remove it, right? So now the cookie's been removed. And so those, the functions that I shared in that LinkedIn carousel, and hope you find these valuable, and you can start using them as you're doing QA. Have an awesome week.